Programming languages need a mechanism to be converted from source files to something that can be executed. In compiled languages like C or C++, the source code is first converted to assembly code, then to object code, and then some linker magic is used to create an executable. Languages like Java operate at a higher level of abstraction. Instead of worrying about how the assembly code would be computed, the Java source code is compiled to bytecode. This bytecode can then be run on JVM that takes care of the lower level abstractions. Another set of languages, like CoffeeScript, are just converted from one syntax to another. Clojure is a hosted language. It targets the virtual machines of other languages. In Java land, Clojure source code is converted to .class files, which can run on top of any JVM. In JavaScript land, Clojure is transpiled to CommonJS or ESM modules, similar to PureScript or ReasonML. As of now, there are 3 official ports for Clojure: Clojure without a suffix that targets the JVM, ClojureScript that targets JavaScript, and Clojure CLR that targets the common language runtime. Apart from the official ports, there are many community ports that can target other runtimes, but the community ports are not always feature complete. Clojure provides constructs to interact with the host language. You can use any library in the host ecosystem, and most of the language features available at the host. This means that when you're writing Clojure script, you have access to JavaScript promises, and when you're writing Clojure, you have access to Java's async model. It is also possible to write code that targets multiple runtimes at once. This can be achieved using the concept of reader conditionals and Clojure common files. This is an advanced topic, and we will not delve into this at the moment. In conclusion, Clojure runs on top of other language VMs. It lets you tap into existing ecosystems like NPM and Maven. You need to learn it just once and use the same API to target various runtimes, and you can transparently access most of the host features.